Welcome to the tutorial video. Watch it till the very end in order to avoid confusion about what you should do and how this course works. What exactly is going to happen starting from the next video? You'll learn the new vocabulary and grammar. Then, I'll be asking you lots and lots of questions on different topics. When you see this message, it means you have to start answering the question aloud. Not in whisper, not to yourself. You have to speak aloud. Moreover, you have to pronounce the full answer to the question. For example, if I ask you, "Where do you live?" you'll have to answer, "I live in my apartment." The answer like, in my apartment is not gonna cut it. Always give the full answer. I'll give you just enough time to answer the question. After that, you will hear the correct answer. If your answer is different in grammar or in vocabulary, stop the video, try to analyze your mistake, go back a few seconds, and repeat the right answer after me. If the time I give you to answer isn't enough, it means you have to speed up the pace. Go through the same lesson one more time until you can fit in the time frame. If you stop the video to give yourself more time to answer, it's cheating. Don't do that. When you see this message, you have to repeat the question I asked you. So pay close attention to the questions I ask. You will hear all the dialogues, new vocabulary and grammar in English. But I bet you'll want to have it all translated. If you're using a computer, click on the CC button below. If you're using a mobile app, tap on the video while playing it, and at the top, you will see the CC menu. Tap on it and choose the language you want vocabulary and grammar to be translated into. But regardless of the language you choose, all the dialects will appear in English only. Vocabulary and grammar part will be translated. If you want to learn to think in English, repetition is extremely important. That's why each lesson begins with repetition of what you learned before. Do not skip the repetition and go straight to the new material. This way you will never become fluent. The lessons are pretty long, so make sure you have about an hour and a half for your English each day without being disturbed. For the maximum effect, you should take one lesson each day, but make sure you take no less than 3 lessons per week. Good luck, and see you in the lesson 1!